Alright, welcome back everybody, and today I'm trying out a different setting on my camera, so we'll see what it's like. Hopefully this video doesn't turn out to be crap. If it does, oh well, I'm sorry for that, but is it focusing? Whatever. Okay, anyways, yesterday I put in some new polyurethane subframe bushings. It's pretty good. I got them off Amazon for 80 bucks. A lot better than the factory ones. Factory ones are like $40 for one. I got $80 for 6 of these. And we're working on the van on this core support, and yesterday I mounted it up into here. Fits pretty good, so I just basically need to clean off down here so we can weld it back onto there, clean off this side and that side. And one thing I would need to do today is make the plate for here. So as you can see, the subframe bushing goes in there, and there's kind of a gap, and it's obviously not that strong. It should be like this, so there should be a little bit of movement, but obviously there shouldn't be a gap like that. So I'm going to be making a plate that can go here and re-weld onto that so that it is mint. And I also need to change out the steering box because mine's leaking, and this will focus. I got one from the scrapyard I pulled out of another van. Hopefully it isn't leaking. This is kind of like a common problem for these vans where the steering box ends up cracking and leaking at some point. And so yeah. So first thing I'm going to do is just do a nice little cut around there. And just like that, we got our piece cut out. So this is going to go onto here like so. And then I'm going to trace out the exact, try to get the exact perimeter of it, and cut it out to that size. Or actually, I think I might drill a hole, because I'm just going to drill a new hole into this, and then maybe I don't know, I'll figure this out. So I cleaned off all this, and I got my plate, so the plate just needs to go in there and then basically get welded all the way around, and then we'll be good to put all this back together. Okay, so I got the bushing, or not the bushing, sorry, I got the plate all welded in. Yeah, not the prettiest welds. This side is better than this side. For some reason, the welder was like spitting on this side. I can't really say too much because those aren't very pretty either, but it's definitely going to get the job done. The bushing goes into place. It's definitely going to hold, and that's all we really needed to do. I didn't bother with this side just because it was so small. It doesn't really matter. That one's fine. For the core support, yeah, I kind of ground down this, but I welded this whole piece, and yes, it looks terrible right now because I welded it and ground it down, and I'm definitely not a good welder. And so yeah, that's definitely going to work, but I welded this because from the factory it's not welded, and I find that this always separates from the other piece, so I welded it all together hoping that that would eliminate that. And same thing on this side. Yeah, alright. So I think that's going to be it for this video, and I know it's kind of short, but next video I'll start doing some other stuff. Hopefully painting this. I've been waiting for some paint to come in, and we'll be able to paint it, put it all back together, and it should be on the road again.